Hi, this is Goes to 11, and I'm very excited. I got my new Rock Band 2 Telecaster replica. It's a player's edition. This was $110. I'm hoping it's going to be worth the extra $40 for a Rock Band guitar. Thought I'd make an unboxing video for y'all. Comes in a very nice box. Ta-da! Angel sing and stuff. Pretty sexy looking guitar. Comes with batteries. Got this off the Mad Catz store, also known as GameSharkStore.com. For $109, they had a coupon code for a free shipping. And there might not have even been tax. I have to remember that. One thing cool about this guitar is here's your overdrive button. It's just a touch. It's not even a button. It's just touch sensitive. I also understand that, like the Rock Band 2 guitar, if you want to use the box again, now you can remove the headstock because they have a button there to release it. Pretty sexy. Overall, I'd say a very nice looking guitar. Hidden under the red thing here is the strap. Looks like quite a bit nicer strap. Maybe than what they usually come with. Let's put some batteries in it. Once again, like the Rock Band 2 guitar, they got rid of that screw. Our trusty Costco batteries. And snap the sucker down. Finish is fantastic. You see it's kind of a matte, road-worn finish instead of the super glossy, shiny finish. I think I'll take off this sticker. Harrison, go tell Mom we're not leaving yet. We're going to test this out right now, I think.
We're taking a video. Don't have time to. At the time.
Okay. I was afraid that was going to happen. Let's put this on. Now we got to find the sync button. I'm going to peel that thing off. This is a real metal whammy bar. Pretty cool. It's got a really neat big spring right there. Here's your start button. Is a twist button. Let's see if it'll come on. And there it is coming on right now. I do need to find the sync button. There it is right there. Let's press it. Go over here. That was nice and quick. Let's try the sucker on for size. It's a little heavier than the Rock Band 2 guitar. Let's crank up the stereo.
Which is usually a good sign, right? If it's heavier, it's often
It's not
nicer.
uncomfortably heavy. I don't know if I'd ever go for that that $300 real wood guitar. That's a little fanatical for me, but this is a nice blend of looks realistic, looks more like a real guitar. I think it's 85% to scale. Let's see. Nice. It's a little clickier than a Rock Band guitar, but not so much that it's annoying. I never played Guitar Hero, so I never fell in love with that super clicky sound, but let's try this one. 1, 2, 3, 4.
is that the end of it?
So
So that was
I say
us.
I like it. It's pretty. The buttons are kind of sticky. I've heard that they're going to soften up after a while. The whammy bar is very stiff. I really hope that gets softer. But I like it. Thanks for watching. You should buy one. That's what I think.
So that was us breaking in the new guitar with Beatles Rock Band.